This short animation shows how Harlan Simon's Warehouse Insights system can revolutionize the way in which you run your warehouse by tracking the movement of trucks and their loads. To begin with, let's look at a typical pallet warehouse like the one you see here. This is a standard warehouse truck, just like the ones in your warehouse. There's nothing special about it until we add our equipment, which has been specifically designed to work within a warehouse environment. Firstly, we position the truck's processor and communications unit, which also includes an upward-facing camera. The unit communicates across a wireless network to the Warehouse Insights server. We connect the processor unit to a ruggedized bar on the side of the forks that includes a forward-facing camera, load sensor, and height sensor. This enables us to identify pallets as they're picked up and also tells us how high they are lifted. Finally, we put a touchscreen into the driver's cab, which provides clear instructions and also allows interaction with the Warehouse Insights system. Along the aisles of the warehouse and across the open spaces, we install our overhead positions markers. They can be fixed to the ceiling or suspended on tension wires just below it and are simply reflective pattern tiles, so they don't require any power or network cabling. They are used by the trucks to determine their position in the warehouse to within a few centimeters, rather like an indoor GPS system. So let's see an example of the system in use. At the start of a shift, the driver logs into his truck using the touchscreen and selects the type of job that has been assigned to him. The Warehouse Insights system receives instructions from your warehouse management system and relays them to the truck driver on the screen in his cab. The instruction here is to pick up a pallet from a lorry. As the truck drives off to collect the pallet, it continually calculates its position from the OPMs and feeds the information back to Warehouse Insight. The system monitors and records the position of each truck and any load that it is carrying. As the truck arrives at the pallet, the camera reads the pallet's barcode and identifies the pallet that the truck is about to pick up. The information is passed to the warehouse management system and a drop location is provided. The driver takes the pallet to the drop location and he can see on his screen where the pallet should go. Even so, it's possible for him to make a mistake. But, unlike a conventional warehouse management system, Warehouse Insight will instantly point out the error, which can then be corrected by relocating the pallet to the correct location. Once the pallet is correctly positioned, the job is marked as completed, and a new instruction is issued.